Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a bat hanging upside down. So here you can see that I'm using my brown pen to draw the bat hanging from a tree. At the beginning I'm drawing the branch of the tree. It's a big branch. Okay, now I'm using my black pen to draw the bat. You have to draw something like an oval, but not complete the oval. These two are its wings. Here's its head. Now I'm drawing its ears. Here is its smiley face and two vampire teeth. I'm drawing its nose and two big closed eyes. I don't know why it's looking like a spider to me. Anyway, now I'm drawing its legs. Now I'm coloring the branch of the tree with my brown pencil. Now I'm coloring its nose and inside its ears with pink pen. Now I'm using my pencil. Now I will use my pencil to color all over its body. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.